Foods that I eat every single day on a raw vegan diet. Welcome back, you guys, for another video to recalibrate with Raw Natty Nate, aka the Nice Cream King, coming to you live with this raw food thing. You guys, I just wanted to throw down real quick and let you guys know that here we are. We find ourselves in this crazy time. If you guys are watching this in the future, maybe you'll remember back. Right now, it's the middle of April, 2020. We're in this pandemic. We're on lockdown. We've got coronavirus. This is heavy times, heavy times. It's not to be taken necessarily lightly in a lot of ways. It's not. This is incredible times. And I'd like to extend an offer to you guys right now. This may be not going on in the future if you're watching this way in the future, but right now, while this entire pandemic is going on and we're stuck at home, we want to help you guys get healthier. So we're running 40% off all of our recipe books. The link is in the description down below, or maybe I'll put a link up here or something, or over here. I don't know where I could put it somewhere. But either way, you guys, all of our recipe books, which gives you plenty of ideas and grocery shopping lists to incorporate more healthy foods into your life every single day. Now, I'm making this video for you guys because some of you guys are asking me, what kind of foods do I eat every single day? How do you do this raw food thing? And what do you eat? And I'm gonna let you guys in on my little secret, what I eat every single day. I eat dates every single day. I don't just eat dates by themselves. I blend them up in my salad dressings, and I blend them up in my smoothies and in my banana ice cream to sweeten it up. It is nature's natural sugar, loaded with fiber, loaded with a bunch of good stuff that you want. So I eat dates every single day, anywhere from 3 to 8 dates. And a date is about 60 calories. So when I put those dates in my dressing, which you can learn in the recipe books, it's a great way to sweeten up the dressing. But another reason I like to use the dates in the dressing is because that's where you get the calories. Now, I learned that from my wife, Lissa. She's amazing. Raw Food Romance, if you guys don't know who she is. And if you're just tuning into this video and you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. So you guys, something else that I would eat on a daily basis is bananas. Bananas would probably be actually the #1 food that I eat every single day. I have bananas for breakfast. Sometimes I have bananas for a snack or for my nice cream, which is a snack. Sometimes my nice cream is a meal. And I don't necessarily have bananas for dinner, but I do have bananas anywhere from 3 to 8 bananas a day. Now, a banana is about 100 calories, so, you know, whatever, if we're adding calories, and so we want to consume food, and we want these calories because the calories give us energy, and that's what we want. And living a raw food lifestyle, a lot of issues that people may come across is they're not eating enough calories, and they're thinking like, man, that raw food thing didn't work for me. I was hungry all the time, and I felt sick and tired, and it's because you're not getting enough fuel. Your tank is empty, basically. And when you eat standard American, it's so easy to fill your tank. Your tank is like, it gets full so fast, right? I mean, we could eat 6,000 calories. Heck, we could eat 10,000. Some people do eat 10,000 calories a day. So anyways, whatever the case is, that is another food that I eat every single day. So we got dates, bananas. I eat tomatoes and cucumbers. Both of those are every single day. Right now, I'm actually kind of like stressing out a little bit. We're gonna stop at the store on the way home. We're out here, beautiful day in nature, trying to stay quarantined, trying to stay away from people, trying to do our part, trying to play it safe, but we want to be in nature. Nature, man. Nature is so good. Oh my gosh. If you guys live in the city, get to a park, just get near a tree, get near some grass, go somewhere where you can just be like as close to nature as you can. And if you live somewhere where you can be out in the middle of nowhere like this right here, bless it up, because you guys are a fortunate bunch, right? There's a lot of concrete jungle out there that a lot of people are stuck in. Anyways, getting off topic here. Another food that I would eat every single day is romaine lettuce. I eat romaine lettuce every single day. I have a salad every single day. Romaine lettuce in a lot of ways is king to all lettuces. It's filled with so much more. It's filled with protein even. But I love iceberg, I love kale, I love spinach, I love all those different kinds of greens, mustard greens, those kind of stuff are really good too, but I definitely, and cabbage, but I eat romaine every single day. Berries I try to have every single day in a smoothie. There are some days that I don't have a fruit smoothie, I may just have a banana date smoothie, but berries are probably a good five, six times a week. Love strawberries and blueberries and blackberries, oranges. We always have cases of oranges and grapefruit. Grapefruit's not every single day, but we always have grapefruit stocked. Grapefruit is so delicious. So those would be foods that I eat every single day. We have other stuff that we eat too. We have a lot of sprouts. Actually, we've been doing a lot more sprouts now that we've been on this lockdown. We're like, oh, come on, let's sprout stuff. What are we doing? We're slacking. We should be sprouting. I mean, how hard is it? You soak some sprouting seeds overnight or for a few hours, depending on what kind of seed it is. And within a few days, you have delicious sprouts. And sprouts are actually kind of spendy at the store when you think about it. That's it, you guys. I mean, really, it's oranges, bananas, dates, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers. Those are things that would be in my diet every single day. It's a simple diet. It's a simple lifestyle. We definitely need to be concerned about what we're putting into our fuel tank, and the raw, uncooked, healthy, fresh fruits and vegetables are great. And if you can go organic, get organic. We don't necessarily go with all organic. We do the best we can. We're learning more on how to forage out here in the woods. There's this guy, Markus, ROTHKRANZ. He's got a book on every single edible plant in the world. All of the ones that are poisonous and all the ones that are toxic as well. It's a really cool book. It's like a Bible. We just need to relearn. I mean, there is a lot of food just like right out here, or in our yards, or in the city, like dandelion greens. Dandelion greens are so incredibly powerful, packed with nutrients. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you've stayed this long, give yourself a thumbs up. If you guys have some topic ideas, some things that you want to learn or you would like me to share, leave me a comment in the comment section below. That's about it on this video, I think. Yeah. Anyways, you guys, hope you're enjoying the rest of your day. Stay positive, stay bright and shiny, breathe deep. We're gonna get through this together. Love you guys.